Hello everyone, welcome. Let's continue learning some of the very important avoir expressions in French. So far in previous lessons, you learned how to say to be hot, avoir chaud, to be cold, avoir froid, to be hungry, avoir faim, to be thirsty, avoir soif, to be scared, avoir peur. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say to be sleepy. So how do you say to be sleepy in French? Avoir sommeil, avoir sommeil. Notice the pronunciation, avoir sommeil, sommeil. Notice this sound at the end, it's like the Y sound, y, sommeil, sommeil. Remember that you have to know the forms of avoir in the present tense to be able to use avoir expressions. So now that you know that to be sleepy is avoir sommeil, let's practice. Let's apply what you've learned. How do you say I am sleepy? Remember, literally, you have to say I have sleep. I am sleepy. J'ai sommeil. J'ai sommeil. You are sleepy. Tu as sommeil. Tu as sommeil. Tu as sommeil. Are you sleepy? As-tu sommeil? As-tu sommeil? He is sleepy. Il a sommeil. Il a sommeil. She is sleepy. Elle a sommeil. Elle a sommeil. You are sleepy. Vous avez sommeil. Vous avez sommeil. Are you sleepy? Avez-vous sommeil? Avez-vous sommeil? That's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.